Whether you're running a small business or managing a large sales team, Zoho Voice is designed to streamline communication, improve call handling, and help you stay connected from anywhere. In today's video, we are diving into Zoho Voice, Zoho's cloud-based VoIP system that lets you make and receive calls directly from your browser. So if you're ready to modernize your communication setup and learn exactly how Zoho Voice works, let's begin. Before you can access Zoho Voice, you'll need to create a Zoho account because every Zoho product integrates into a unified ecosystem. To get started, go to zoho.com. Once you're on the homepage, at the top right, you will see Sign In option. But if you don't have any account, there is also Sign Up for an account. Click the Sign Up button, and you'll be forwarded to a new page where you can fill in your basic information. If you want to speed up your account creation, you can sign up instantly using Google, LinkedIn, or Microsoft. This not only saves time, but also makes it easier to manage access across devices. Once your account is successfully created, click Access Your Apps and scroll through the dashboard. If Zoho Voice does not appear immediately in your list, simply type Voice in the search bar and you'll be able to locate the application. In case the app still does not show up, simply go Zoho Voice page, and here, use the Access button to reach Zoho Voice directly. But if you encounter an error message, it likely means Zoho Voice is not available in your region due to geo-restrictions. Zoho applies geographic limitations to certain services based on the country or region you're operating in. However, even if the service is unavailable in your area, you can still explore the features and functionalities through the Zoho Voice homepage, product descriptions, and documentation. With Zoho Voice, you can launch your entire contact center in the cloud. This means you can manage a fully operational phone system using only an internet connection. No physical phones, hardware installations, or on-site technicians required. You can set up virtual phone numbers for multiple countries, making it easier to build a global presence. You can add users, assign them roles such as administrators, agents, or supervisors, and manage permissions based on your organization's structure. Additionally, you can configure call flows, set up IVRs, interactive voice response menus, create call routing strategies, and customize the overall customer experience before an agent even answers the call. One of the standout features is the ability to monitor calls in real time. Supervisors can view active calls, track team performance, and identify common customer issues. This kind of visibility is especially valuable for remote or hybrid teams because it ensures accountability and a consistent quality of service without needing everyone in a physical office. You can also enhance customer engagement with two-way SMS. Unlike standard text campaigns where messages are sent one way, Zoho Voice allows your team to have interactive conversations with customers. This makes communication more personal and effective. For example, you can send appointment reminders, delivery updates, and promotions, and customers can reply instantly. You can connect SMS interactions with workflows such as support tickets, satisfaction surveys, or post-service follow-ups. This makes it ideal for healthcare providers, retail stores, delivery companies, and service-based businesses that need direct, ongoing communication with customers. Another advantage of Zoho Voice is its deep integration with Zoho CRM, Zoho Desk, and other Zoho applications. Instead of switching between multiple apps or manually entering call details, everything syncs automatically. When a customer calls, their entire profile appears on your screen with previous interactions, notes, emails, and open tickets. Calls can be logged automatically, and your team can analyze performance using built-in reporting tools. This level of integration helps sales teams respond faster and support teams solve customer issues more efficiently. Let's explore other features. Zoho Voice also ensures you stay mobile. You can use the platform on your phone, tablet, or laptop. Whether you're working from home, commuting, traveling, or at the office, you can make and receive business calls from anywhere. This kind of flexibility helps teams stay connected, even if they are scattered across different locations or time zones. Deployment is extremely easy because everything runs in the cloud. There's no need to order equipment, wait for installations, or deal with complicated wiring. You can simply add users, assign virtual phone numbers, create call flows, and activate the entire system within minutes. This makes Zoho Voice a perfect solution for growing businesses that need reliable communication tools without long setup times. Zoho Voice also makes team collaboration easier. You can reach colleagues through internal extensions or direct messaging. This helps departments stay aligned, especially when handling customer inquiries that require input from multiple teams, such as billing, technical support, or sales. With Zoho Voice, you can also expand internationally by purchasing virtual phone numbers from multiple countries. This allows international customers to contact you through local phone numbers, which builds trust and reduces communication barriers. You can establish a global presence and create virtual offices without needing to physically open branches overseas. The platform is built to deliver high-quality audio. Since Zoho Voice operates on VoIP technology, calls run over the internet, resulting in clear and consistent audio quality. This eliminates the high costs associated with traditional phone lines while providing a more reliable calling experience for both customers and agents. Pricing is also flexible. Zoho Voice follows a pay-as-you-go model, so you only pay for what you use. The free plan of Zoho Voice, Solo, gives you a basic cloud phone system with no monthly subscription fee. You can access to the main dashboard. You can sign up and begin using Zoho Voice free. You can receive calls from other users or supported numbers are free. The basic plan starts at $34 per user and offers essential features ideal for small teams. The standard plan costs $49 per month and includes advanced capabilities suitable for growing organizations. The contact center plan is designed for businesses that require full call center management features, making it great for companies that rely heavily on phone support or sales outreach. If you want authentic user reviews or wish to compare Zoho Voice with alternatives, you can check platforms like Capterra and G2. These sites provide detailed insights from real users, including pros and cons, performance breakdowns, and pricing comparisons. These reviews can guide you in choosing the right plan and help determine whether Zoho Voice is the right communication solution for your business needs. And with that, we wrap up our extended walkthrough of Zoho Voice. It is a powerful, user-friendly, and scalable solution for teams that want reliable cloud-based calling without leaving the Zoho ecosystem. It integrates seamlessly with other Zoho apps, enhances productivity, reduces operational costs, and supports both local and global communication needs. Whether you're a startup, a growing business, or an established enterprise, Zoho Voice can simplify your communication workflow and help your team stay connected effortlessly. And that's it. So that's all for this video. Thanks.